Introduction. Hello, my name is Danyan. I am your instructor for Java Programming Beginner to Advanced Object-Oriented Programming. I have more than 25 years of experience in programming, and I have Bachelor of Science in Computer. For this course, I have several slides and include Java program and detail information for teaching you Java language. Table Content 1. Number 1. Installing Java and Eclipse on Mac. For Java, you need to install JDK. The Java Development Kit, JDK, is a software development environment that offers a collection of tools and libraries necessary for developing Java applications. Eclipse is popular for Java application development. Eclipse use is for developing Java applications. Number 2. Installing Java and Eclipse on Windows. Number 3. Write first Java program. Example, Hello World. Number 4. Comments is a readable explanation of source code. Number 5. Variables is a piece of memory that can contain a data value. Number 6. Arithmetic operator provide operators that perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, and modulus. Number 7. Strings is a sequence of characters. For example, hello. Number 8. Math class contains methods for performing basic numeric operations. For example, random, min, and max. Number 9. Boolean value is one with two choices, true or false, yes or no, 1 or 0. Number 10. Array is a collection of similar types of data to store different values in a single variable. Table Content 2. Number 11. Classes and objects are basic concepts of object-oriented programming. Number 12. A method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Number 13. Constructor is a special type of subroutine called to create an object. Number 14. Modifier is accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor, or class. Number 15. Loop and more. Cover several topics: if, else statement, comparison, logical, switch, while loop, for loop, break and array. Number 16. Object-oriented programming, OOP, has four basic concepts: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Encapsulation. Mechanism you bind your data and code together as single unit. Number 17. Inheritance. Properties of one class can be inherited by the other. Number 18. Polymorphism. Define one interface or method and have multiple implementations. Number 19. Abstraction. Hiding the details and showing the essential things to user. Number 20. Interface. Mechanism to achieve abstraction.